As final step, there are a couple of changes that we need to make in our app. These are, first, our app does not support the landscape mode, so we need to always use it in portrait mode only, even when the screen is rotated. And second, if we open the app in split screen, the app won't run properly. So we need to make our app unsupported for split screen so that the user does not open it that way. So we will put the checks for these two things. Now, why will our app not work in landscape mode or split screen? Well, that's because whenever the app opens in landscape mode or in split screen, the dimensions of the device change. That is, the maximum height and width that the app can occupy on the device will change. In order to handle these changes, the developer will need to make multiple XML files, one for portrait mode and one for landscape mode, and a third for the split screen mode. These things are beyond the scope of this training, so we won't be doing all this. Hence, we will add some restrictions to avoid such things. Now first, let's add the code for using the app in portrait mode only. We'll go to the manifest file and we'll add the code for each activity. So first, for this description activity, go inside the tag which has the activity name and add the attribute screen orientation and give its value as portrait. Next, we add the config changes attribute and give it the value orientation screen size. We'll copy this code now and add it for the main activity tag as well. Done. Now we need to add the code for not supporting the split screen. So we'll add this attribute called resizable activity and give the value as false. That being done, let's run the app and check if the restrictions got implemented. We'll run the app, keep the screen rotation as on, and try to rotate it. Yes, the app still runs in portrait mode. Now let's try opening split screen. No, it is not showing the option here for split screen. If you run it in your phone, you won't be able to open any other app in split screen. So, we have completed the app finally. And we have the proper app icon also. The tasks left up to you are to complete the profile and about app fragments. Think about the content you want to show, or if you want to show some pictures, etc. Put your creative hats on and make this app your own.